Hello beautiful families, come and spend a productive day with me. Today I'm frying a crunchy chin chin from scratch. I'm preparing a delicious tasty meal for my family lunch. And a customer ordered for 5 liters of chin chin. Stay tuned and see how everything turns out. I love you all. Let's get started. Let's start by sieving our flour. You always have to see, I'm making use of 7 kg. You see, because this is what I do for a living. One of the things I do though. So I always keep it in my shop. The next thing I'm going to add is my nutmeg. There is one thing about my chin chin. I don't add sugar. There is nothing like sugar because I'm making use of 3. You see? Show them, let them see. I'm making use of 3 condensed milk. This is 1 kg, which I'm using 3 kg of condensed milk. What condensed milk does to our chin chin, it makes it so crunchy and so soft. Some people don't like eating chin chin because it gives them headache. But because while frying chin chin, always add condensed milk. Depends on how you're doing. This is commercial and I always make it rich. That's why my customers always come back for it. Yes, they always come back because I make a very delicious and crunchy chin chin. Here I'm using powdered milk. This is 3.5 cups of powdered milk. Let's add. A little bit of salt. Here is my margarine. It's always optional. I don't like adding it all the time, but today I choose to add only 500 grams of margarine. In this bowl, I have 8 pieces of large eggs. Then here is our condensed. Then I go and comb her hair. Bring it closer. Let them see. You see, there's no way you make something like this and your customers will not keep coming back. Helen, is this one okay? Okay. What do you say, Mommy?
Thank you.
There you go. Zina, is this one okay? Seven.
You'll be so delicious. Thank you.
There you go.
David.
Baby, should I have
It's okay, it's okay.
seven? Thank you for watching. God bless you. I appreciate you. I love you very much. Always know that. Come and join me. The lunch is ready.